Hi folks, today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about changing the image on your Facebook apps. So this is something I've been seeing with business owners a lot. Your apps are these little things over here on the side. You either install them yourself. I've got one here for MailChimp, then I've got one that goes out and connects with my new consultation services. I've got a Twitter app. Additionally, if I scroll to the top here and I click on more, then I see the other apps I've got. I've got a Pinterest and an Instagram feed. So this way you can kind of customize these to match your brand and make sure that they kind of stand out. So what I did, I just created a new little app. Basically wanted to make a new one for my consultation services, and so I created it in Photoshop. The pixels are 111 by 74, so right here is exactly how big you want to make it. I went ahead and saved it out, so it's already waiting for me. I prefer to use Photoshop for stuff like this because I have a design background and I'm really kind of finicky about things being centered and whatnot. So that's just personal preference. So what I'm going to go, I'm here on my Facebook page. I'm going to scroll to the top and I'm going to click on More, then Manage Tabs. At this point in time, it brings up kind of a list of all of my tabs, all of my apps. I can switch these around if I'd like, but of course I want to keep my consultation right below my free guide. And so I'm going to click on Add or Remove Tabs. Basically, this takes me into a little bit more of an area where I can get deeper with these tabs and really kind of, play around with them. So I'm going to click on Edit Settings because this is the app that I want to change the image for. If I wanted to change the actual name, I could do that here. As you can see, it says Book Consultation, but we just want to change the image. So I'm going to click on Change. It's going to take me into a new window. And if you don't know, you want to kind of scroll up here, click on the edit. I don't know why this is difficult, but Facebook makes it a little bit more difficult. Again, they just remind you what the best size is. I always go for pings when I'm doing anything that's going on the web, just for file size, especially if it's something more in depth. JPEG is going to be your biggest, your heaviest file, I should say. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Choose. I'm going to scroll up. There we go. See, I was smart. Consulting app. So let's talk about you. It's very small, so it doesn't look super clear here, but when we upload it, we'll see it's just fine. So it'll show here. As you can see at the top, we've still got both tabs open. So you can just exit out of the top of this one, come back, click OK, and then go back to your page. Scroll down. My internet's really slow today. Scroll down and there we go. Brand new. Doesn't that look fancy? Super easy. Anybody can do it. Just takes a little bit of time. So there you go. Hope this gave you value. Have a great day.